Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys a Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to show tags on lock screen. Friends, you want to show tags on your lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to show tags on lock screen. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile you want to show any tags, you want to show any name on your lock screen. How to show? First of all, we will turn on Redmi mobile setting. After turn Redmi mobile setting friends, we will select here lock screen setting. After select here lock screen setting friends, you can see sleep setting, raise to wake setting, double tap to wake, and turn off screen setting. Friends, you can see lock screen clock format setting. If you tap here, so you can select your lock screen clock format. You can change your Redmi mobile lock screen clock format you want to change, so you can change. Friends, lock screen on an info setting we will select here, and friends, you can add any tags and you can show tags on your lock screen. For an example friends, now good morning I will show here good morning, and friends, good morning emojis you want to use sun, so you can add here sun also. So friends, I will add here sun. So like that friends, we will add and we will turn off your mobile screen. When you will on your Redmi mobile screen friends, you can check tags will show on your lock screen good morning. So like that friends, you want to show any tags, you can show any tags and you can use it. And friends, you have limit only 14 and 15 words you can use on your lock screen. And friends, you want to change your tags, so you can change. You want to show any different name, so you can show. For example friends, now I will enter here, I will write here my mobile, my phone. Save option, lock your screen. On your screen tags will change. Tags will not show good morning, tags will show here my mobile phone. Again on your lock screen setting, clock format setting, and you want to remove your lock screen tags, so you can remove. Lock your screen friends. When you will your phone screen friends, you can see tags will not show on your lock screen. So like that friends, you can use your lock screen shortcut setting. You can show, you can add tags on your lock screen, and you want to remove, so you can remove. And again you want to use, so you will have to write tags here, then save option, ok option, tap here, you can show tags on your lock screen. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.